One of the key requirements of the BC Energy Step Code and any type of housing performance construction is an airtightness requirement. And airtightness can actually be one of the best ways to significantly improve not only the energy efficiency of a building, but thermal comfort, indoor air quality, and durability. And airtightness can be extremely straightforward if you integrate your airtightness strategies into the earliest design concepts that you're building. And so doing something that we refer to as a red line drawing, where we actually draw with a red pen, what is my air barrier? Is it outside of the building? Is it inside the building? Does it go from outside to inside? But really establishing at the earliest stages of design, what are the materials? What are the strategies you're going to use for airtightness? And then once you start construction, is really working with the entire construction team. And that's just not the guys that are doing the forming and framing, but making sure that all of your trades are connected to that strategy for airtightness. And then the site superintendent simply needs to supervise the trades as they do their work to make sure that they are respecting that airtightness system that you've used. Of course, you want to do a test just before installation or just after installation if you're using plastic as an air and vapor barrier to make sure that your strategy is on track. And then, of course, you would do a final test at the end of the project. One of the things that I strongly recommend is considered is using the aero barrier system. It's an atomized sealant that's introduced into the building under pressure. It finds all those little gaps and holes that are left over from your primary air barrier system. It can find those, and it is one of those things that will bring absolute certainty to achieving whatever that airtightness standard is that you set at the earliest stages of design.